present you Gmail add-on AI email assistant powered by ChatGPT. This powerful tool is designed to streamline your email experience and saving your time. Let's dive in and explore its features. To install it, go to the link. I have left the link at the description of the video. It will open Workspace Store with add-on. Click on Install button. So the add-on doesn't have access to the messages, only 2 drafts that it will generate. Once you have installed the add-on, you will need to open your Gmail account, and you will notice a new icon in your Gmail interface. Click on this icon. It will open a sidebar. So let's generate email to ask your boss to raise the salary. Ask my boss John to raise salary. You can choose writing tone, neutral, formal, informal, output language, over 40 languages and dialects, and click generate button. Amazing, you have ready email. You can customize a little bit. For example, add a name, and just click send. Let's go to reply to feature. Click on reply to. Here you need to provide a message of your email on that you would like to respond, and provide context, how or what you would like to say. The same, choose the writing tone and output language, and click generate. 1 second and that's ready. Next, Gmail add-on AI email assistant also has advanced mode. To open advanced mode, click on compose button. As below you will find Gmail GPT icon. Click on this one. It will open model window, and here you can provide custom AI instructions for generation your email. Also reply to email, translate to native, improve your message, like make it longer, shorter, or replace phrases, and it will correct your grammar, phrases, and sentences. So I have left the direct link at the description to Workspace Store. Thank you for watching.